Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Chevrolet K1500 Suburban LT. This is a 5.3 liter V8 engine, rear wheel drive and 4x4. Love the Suburbans. We have the alloy wheels, the running boards. Have the power back door. Have power seats here. These are for folding your seats up there. Go ahead and close this. You can see it has a ton of space, and it does have the entertainment package. So you see that it has screens here and here. Okay. See, it does have black leather seats. Here's a shot of the VIN right here. Driver presets and other driver controls. There are your lights. 2- and 4-wheel drive toggle. Parking assist and lane drift. And go ahead and hop in. Go ahead and turn this down. And we'll also turn down the fan so you can hear me a little bit better. There we go. Okay. Go ahead and bounce over here to the miles. 8,896. That's not very many. Okay, and then you also have your steering wheel toggles. This is for your cruise control and for your other computer functions. Also push to talk. Come over here to the stereo. It is AM, FM, and XM. There's your OnStar navigation, your phone, your movies, which obviously in this vehicle is a big deal. It's how you raise your stereo. Okay, bouncing back down here, you got your backup camera. Okay, your tow setting right there. You have your heated seats, and then you have your climate controls down here. You have your glove compartment there and a sunroof. Okay, so you can see absolutely fully loaded. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It had a light impact in the front. It turned out to be cosmetic damage only. So we easily got it put back together. It did pass our 150-point inspection and our state of Utah safety inspection. We do have a number of SUVs here on the lot. So for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.